If YouTube has not been recommending your channel in 2026, you might want to do this because you are losing out on a lot of views. Once YouTube is recommending your video, that means you are going to be getting more watch time, more subscriber, and more good things on your channel. Because once YouTube has your channel in front of the YouTube feed, you are doing something wonderful on your channel. So you might want to go ahead to turn on this setting so that you can actually be among those that their videos are going to be recommended every time anybody come around on YouTube. Your videos need to be on the first part. So let's go into the video to go setting and let our channel and videos be recommended in the eyes of a lot of people who come on YouTube on a daily basis to come learn, to come get entertained, to come do one thing or the other. All right, let's go into the tutorial. This is how your channel dashboard is going to look like once you use your preferred browser. Once you come to search your YouTube desktop version, just click on www.youtubestudio.com and it's going to lead you to this part. Once your channel dashboard clicks on, you are going to see this interface. Go ahead to click on the magic stick that you see on your left hand side of the screen where the icon is touching. So once that opens up, you are going to see the interface looking this way. As you can see, I've already gone ahead to arrange my own profile. You can see my YouTube banner and all that there, my channel description, but we are not going into details about our profile. We are more focused on the home tab. For the sake of this tutorial, all what I had already here on my own tab, I am going to erase or remove all of it, because just as your channel wants to be working, I am also working my own channel. My channel is also a work in progress, so let's go ahead to delete them all. So once you do that, you are going to click on the home tab. You see that place, it was highlighted before. I am going to click on it and turn it on. The next thing we need to do is on the layout on how we want our channel to be fixed. Go ahead and click on add section. On the add section, you are going to see so many icons. YouTube has made this possible for us to use it, and you must use it wisely at your own advantages. Now, according to the first one, channel trailer, we are going to start with channel trailer to go put the best video that is working well. Maybe we have the best view interaction and engagement on it. That is the video we are going to place on our channel trailer. Then the next one we are going to go is the spotlight for returning subscribers. This is because we want everybody that comes to our channel, the first thing they are going to see are these specific videos. We want them to be glued to what we are going to offer on the channel. So go ahead to add your spotlight video for returning viewers. The first one, the channel trailer, is one of the first video that the moment anybody click on your channel or search for your channel, that is going to be what they are going to see. Once the icon shows up for you to apply the video you want and you cannot find it, all you have to do is just direct yourself to the YouTube app, and once you go there, you go look for the title of that particular video. Then you will go back to the desktop version and search the title of that particular video of your choice. So once you do that, you are going to click on it, and once you click on it, it will appear and be visible and shown to all your returning subscribers or viewers who come to your channel to watch the video. So as you do this, the next step, you can go on and on to start clicking on maybe the next one you want. The next video that will come up again for your viewers, it could be your videos, it could be your popular video, it could be your short video, any form or live video. If you are monetized, you can put your members video next so that anybody that is coming to, so everything is just for organization, and on these things are not permanent on your channel. You can always go back to change them as you're uploading videos every day or every time you post your video. And if you see any video that is doing well currently, more than the ones you have already put on your channel trailer or on your returning viewers, you can always go there to change it. You can always tweak it all the time. This is because you want your page to always be known and be seen. You want people to come and be watching your most recent and popular video on your channel. So instead of you, if you have so many kind of videos on your channel and you want to segment them, you can always use this format to do that. And make sure when you are going to do this, make sure you put it on all content, because in brackets it is recommended for you to do that. As a YouTuber, you want to use this at your best advantage, because you are going to see progress and changes on your channel if you can actually do that. This is because you don't want your audience to have a scattered videos of your channel. You want them, if you have playlists and all that, you can always put it out there for your audiences to see your channel. All right, let your channel be displayed. So we have come to the end of the video, and if you find this video really helpful, do well to like, comment, share this video, very important, and also subscribe so that you can always come back for more. And if anybody is also having a challenge on their channel, why is their channel is not growing, or you are checking your data analysis on your YouTube Studio app and you are seeing that YouTube is not recommending your video, like recommendation is not there, please do well to do this thing I have just shown on this video. Take your time and study the YouTube platform. Everything that you need to succeed on your channel is on your desktop channel. There is no formula you want to get outside of YouTube other than your hands doing it. And also you can always pray to God for maybe your video can actually pick up, because sometimes you might set all these things to the right path and then it's not ready for your channel. But don't force it, just do what is needed to be done at the main time. All right, I would like to see you on my next video. Bye bye, thank you for watching.